Okay, so I haven't been in many videos recently, and Shane and Tristan want to be in another one. So yeah, we're gonna get right into it. So what we're gonna be going to do today.
Wait there, guy. I got an idea. You know that I know. Well, I know, but you know that I know.
Yep.
that Tristan made with an old-fashioned 1980s movie maker. He made a video about Cortez, and I say we roasted there.
Yeah, sounds great.
All right, welcome to Tag,
Technology,
Automotive,
and gaming.
and today, roasting our bros video. A pretty wash. Look at that right there.
Whoa.
Tag, you're it. Where did I jump there? This is one jumpy jump, you know. Yeah, cheers. Oh,
Yeah.
no, okay there.
Sounds like Indian hit music.
Yeah, it keeps jumping. No. Does a documentary ever happen in this film?
Just a lot of pictures. Just
Jumpiness, you know. Anything else happening? That's kind of pretty. Some fat man with a beard.
ooh, he's thick.
He'd be sick there, yeah. Music ain't bad though. Okay, let's get a move on.
Okay.
I think I can. Geez, I gotta drink some more beer. So.
Oh, there's more pictures. Just
I bet I can finish this beer before this is over. Oh, it's by Will Gilbert and Tristan. I used to have a crush on Will's sister, you know. She was cute. Yeah, she's 3 years older than me, and I was like 9. But yeah, she's cute.
In 1504, when Cortez was 19, he sailed from Spain to Cuba.
Good for him.
The Cuban governor gave him some land for farming. This made him very angry, and he said,
"Land? I don't want land. I didn't come here
Oh,
to
my.
till soil like a peasant. I can't."
Oh, what happened? We're back.
oh,
the Aztecs believed that one of their gods, Quetzalcoatl, had vanished into the ocean and would return one day. The year that Cortez came is the year that the Aztecs predicted Quetzalcoatl to return. When Cortez came, they thought that he was Quetzalcoatl. The first to say so was Moctezuma, the Aztec ruler. Moctezuma's soldiers outnumbered Cortez's by a lot. He could have easily killed the Spaniards, but he wasn't sure what the Spaniards wanted, so he gave them both in colorful feathers, hoping that they would leave. This just made Cortez want even more. The soldiers were scared.
What's with the woman?
Most of them wanted to leave.
no,
She's gone now. It's her again, you know? She's come back. This is some dude. Okay. Look there, why do you keep having the house graphics? It's like, look, it's a house.
Cortez said to them,
The transitions are
Pretty poor.
yeah, pretty trash. Kind of suck.
Our stand was a good thing, and it furthers His Majesty's interest. Let us remember to what we have gone through, battles of fear of death, and what hardships.
Tristan sounds like
Think of
crap.
the 50 that have died, and
Oh
all
my.
those who have been.
Sounds like a virgin till he's 30.
Cheers to that. Oh. Cheers to that, myself.
make sure that they couldn't leave. Cortez burned his ships.
This is great editing. I'm loving editing.
Yeah, I'm loving the burn shit. You know, I remember when he did that, you know. I remember that. That was a while back, but I remember the burning of the ship and the flame. Yeah. Yeah. It was fun. He actually built that ship with Grandma, you know, and then he decided to burn it. You know, yeah. Sometimes you gotta build things up and just tear it all down. Okay. It's a lot of burning. Well,
Indiana Jones music. I don't really understand it, but you know, it's just there.
I'm just gonna have some of this.
I have nothing.
It's still burning.
really interested with the burning, I guess. I guess this is
You know, I think what it was is Tristan's like, oh man, this video is harder than I thought it would be. Let's just throw some footage of me burning something and maybe I'll get an A. Yeah. Still burning, you know. Geez, what do you say about burning? I have a feeling. I have a feeling he. I mean, he might have rolled one and then, and then made his video. I don't know. Okay, well, you know. We're still burning. I mean, jeez, it just. How long are we video? This is about Cortez, not him burning his ships like a dumbass.
Yeah, I mean, if him burning ships is the most interesting thing about him, then
it's
who cares about him?
Yeah. Oh, we're almost done with the burn. It's almost done. Oh my God! She just went backwards to the burning of what he's burning. That's terrible. Oh my gosh, Jerry. Oh, we're moving on.
On his way to Tenochtitlan, he found
what was
Indian
that?
tribes that encountered by the Aztecs who joined him. A woman named Donna Marina.
Something tells me they were holding the camera while they were filming the whole thing, because you know how it jumps and stuff? Definitely holding the camera.
He had a huge army. He described the city as...
This great city is built on a salt lake, and from the mainland to the city is a distance of 2 leagues.
Does he have cotton balls in his mouth?
It has 4 approaches.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, she might.
He's got cotton mouth. You know?
Throat might be crooked.
Yeah. He's got cotton mouth. There's a terrible graphic.
Moctezuma met Cortez on the causeway to the city. Cortez describes this as...
We were received by Moctezuma with about 200 chiefs, all barefooted and dressed in a very rich livery.
He did not want to make this video.
No, man.
He does not sound happy, or he sounds high.
Yeah.
No, he might have been any of them.
He wasn't high.
2 lords.
He just had a cotton mouth.
Oh, and a cotton
All were
mouth.
dressed in the same manner.
After smoking that big one.
I descended from my horse and was about to embrace it, but the 2 lords' attendants intervened so that I
can see why Will's doing most of the talking.
He
just doesn't. He just never quite got that voice for video or radio or voice period. Doesn't have a voice. Got a gut though.
Cortez was in the city. He attacked.
Big gut.
Made up for voice.
And taking Moctezuma.
Big gut.
He tried to rule the Aztec Empire by telling Moctezuma what to do. But the Aztec people soon realized that Cortez was not a god and that he only wanted gold and power. The Aztec soldiers attacked Cortez and his soldiers. Cortez forced Moctezuma to tell the Aztecs to stop the attack.
Look at that thing, the headpiece.
I've already seen that picture. Look at it again.
Just look at the headpiece again. It's quite a headpiece.
Moctezuma was stoned and died 3 days later.
He was stoned.
Oh man.
Poor guy.
Cortez and his soldiers were driven out of the city by a group of Aztecs led by Cuauhtémoc, Moctezuma's nephew, on June 30th, 1520.
Go Cuauhtémoc.
Wow, these transitions
On
suck.
August 13th, 1521, Cortez returned to Tenochtitlan with a large army and Indian allies.
Seriously, can't you just put in a tripod?
No food or water could be brought into the city. After
Kinda
a few
cool,
months,
you know, it goes right up there.
Tenochtitlan fell to Cortez and
Think
his
about it, a city on the lake, you know. I'd have a city on the lake. That'd be pretty awesome, you know.
Yeah.
Pretty awesome, a city on the lake. Okay, get ready for the city on the lake. Finally, there we go.
In 1522,
Oh,
Cortez
Mexico.
built Mexico City on the ruins of Tenochtitlan. Then colonists came over from Spain, and the city became the principal European city in America. When Cortez was returning to Mexico, he became ill and returned to his estate in Seville, Spain.
Okay.
In 1547, he died, no longer
That's a
a
random
hero, and
noise.
had lost most of his fortune.
That's a gap of life in between there, you know. It's like, you know, he came from Mexico. Many years later, he died. Wait a second. Look at the bar. How much credits is there? Man, this is some cheap stuff here.
Wow, someone. Crabs are going slow.
Well, you know, I only got so much beer left, but I'm not gonna milk it. I'm just gonna finish up.
Okay, I think.
Whoa! What are you guys doing? No, turn this shit off! Turn this shit! God damn, what the fuck you guys doing? How'd you get this?
You was at the house.
Yeah, I just found it. She's there.
It's kind of lame there. I remember when you burnt that ship, but you didn't need 2 minutes of burning a ship.
No. Or 3 minutes of credits. Was it like 10 minutes? And
They're still going.
You had to milk the thing. So
There's still. Look how much is left. Look how much is left there.
We don't need to see all this blah blah. Don't look. Don't look. No, don't look.
Look at this gut.
No gut. Losing weight. Give me this.
And my beer.
Gotta make that gut bigger.
I guess
You know what?
I was wrong. I couldn't finish this beer little thing because he finished it for me. Tell you what.
You can make fun of it all you want. That's fine. We had a good year this year.
We did. Good year.
Great year.
And not the tires, you know.
Tires.
Good year.
No, not the tires. No, we're not that great. Good
Yeah.
year tires. No.
Yeah. I got it.
But
There's some left. Yeah.
I think next year, you guys make fun of all the videos I do. That's fine. We did a lot of good stuff this year.
We did a lot of great stuff this year.
No, you didn't do crap.
You did nothing, though, right?
Yeah, you popped in the last minute and goes,
Yeah.
yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and be like, last 2 videos, I'm here. That's
What have you
alright.
been doing there, you know?
I mean, I made that monitor video.
I will say this though.
That monitor video took off.
This how much? We got a lot left here. Hey, so this coming up this year, we're gonna modify Couch Corner because it was boring.
Very boring.
So we're gonna make it Couch Corner Shane Edition. So there's gonna be a lot more commie talk because those damn dirty commies don't deserve anything. And there's gonna be a lot more me roasting these modern cars because they're crap.
And Trevor should have his new computer in next year, January, February, and he'll have more gaming videos.
And more power. Power.
Yeah, gaming videos.
And we got a couple of reviews of cars. First, we got my girlfriend's 2000 Toyota Celica GTS, which we've already done some work on. And then we're gonna have a full review of my 1992 Toyota Celica GT. I got the transmission put in for overhaul. We're not gonna do a video about the overhaul because that was a long drawn process. But I'm gonna do a video about how I painted the car, put the car back together. And I'm also gonna make it so the car's actually sturdier than it was before because it turns out it was missing a lot
I
of
do gotta say though, real quick, how long are we gonna stay on the end
I don't know,
before we get to the map?
It just gets to the end. Hey, so I got a whole review on my opinion of the best car as a car, not as something beautiful or awesome, right? Just as a car in the world, and how I modify it, make it a little bit better, and you'll see that, and that'll be a great video. I'm excited for that one. That's gonna be in a couple months. That's gonna be a good video. Yeah, we're gonna beat the shit out of my car because man, it's just a tank and it keeps on sticking. I'll tell you what, man.
Got a couple of brake repair videos coming up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So, subscribe, stay tuned. A lot of good stuff coming up, I hope.
Oh yeah, you better believe it, Derry.
I'm Tristan.
I'm Shane.
I'm Trevor.
Till next time.
Tag, you're it.
Okay.